Ciao a tutti. Good afternoon. I am here in New York and I am out. I'm going to be late for all of my meetings today because I'm doing something much more worthwhile. I am saving a life. So, yes, I am out of my house, but I do have my protection. I also have my gloves with me, and of course I'm being safe and staying a responsible and safe distance from all other people. So I actually have a lot of things to share with you all later, but I'll just start with some basics. So if you all, well, any of you who are familiar with some of my other channels may know that a little while ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I posted a notice that I was looking for movers. Yes, so this may hit some of you as a first time, but for some of you who follow my other channels, you see that I was looking for movers. Now, something happened that I wasn't too happy about. The first thing that happened was I got some calls from people that I never contacted. I got some calls from movers that I could have excluded almost immediately. Their company values and profile did not meet mine, and that was by a wide margin. So I got a call from someone who purported to be from Dumbo Moving, and the number that contacted me was in fact from Dumbo Moving. The person wasn't speaking clearly, but they made several misstatements to me during the time. Now, if you know anything about me, business and ethics are hand in glove with me. So I definitely was not willing to engage or even have a conversation, any further communication with anyone who was lying to me about my own actions. I didn't contact you. I didn't, initiate anything with you. So I definitely didn't appreciate that. The other thing is anyone who works on my behalf knows that I have a solid rule. That is, put it in writing, and that protects me and you. They never contacted me in writing, and they were actually a company that I excluded from the beginning, so I didn't appreciate that. Business and ethics, they're intertwined for me. They're never going to be separate. I'll leave you with that, and I'll pick up in another video. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.